expect automated chute deployment.
Looks like they're going now.
Visual on 2 healthy drogues.
And they deploy between 6,500 and 6,000 feet. And there we can see those drogues pulling away, exposing the main parachutes. There are 4 main parachutes on the Dragon capsule, and it looks like those are now expanding.
200, cruise brace.
Copy, 200 and brace for splashdown.
AX-2 is back on Earth.
As you can see on your screen, visual confirmation for splashdown of our Dragon spacecraft. Dragon Freedom has returned home with the AX-2 crew.
SpaceX sees splashdown and mains cut. At this time, you are go for procedure 4.800.